welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Guys, right now I'm at a place called Dekers Lane, right? So you see that signboard there, right? So in Bengali it's written the Dekers Lane, right? So I came all the way from there, from a place called Esplanade, right? And this is a busy road out here. So guys, I'm gonna take you for a tour inside this lane. It's called the Dekers Lane, and I'm gonna show you the cheapest, thali. Thali is like, let's walk and talk, okay? So guys, see now. Now thali is basically they give you, rice, curry, if you want some bread or like, some paratha or chapati, right? So it's a mixture of a plate, right? So it doesn't have a particular, dish. So they give you, different types of curries, and if you want bread or rice, right? So and the shop that I'm going to right now, right, he has more than, I think, 10-15 types of different curries, right? So from where you can choose, and you can eat whatever you want to eat, like that's your wish, right? So let's go, guys. I'm going to a place called the name of the hotel is the Joy Ma Tara, I guess, right? It's right over there, right? And the crowd is insane. And guys, right now is drizzling, right, in Kolkata, and the time right now is about 2:30 in the afternoon, right? So here we are, guys. Look, guys, just look at this crazy crowd. Now let's go and see the type of food that he sells. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, guys, please subscribe. So let's go. Right, guys, so here we are. The hotel's name is Joy Ma Tara, right? That's written in Bengali. I can't read Bengali myself, but I can speak Bengali, right? So I asked someone and they said it's the Joy Ma Tara, right? And just look, guys. They have, so many different types of, curries, and yeah. And this brother here, his name is Arunda. He's the owner of the shop.
Joy Matara.
Joy Matara. Good brother. So he's a bit busy, right? As you can see, people. Sorry. Guys, just look at the crowd, It's insane. Now let's take a look at the food, right? The types of food he has. Hello, bro. What's up? You're fine? Hello, Joe. Okay. See, guys. They are almost, are running out of the, items, right? And yeah, so brother, আপনারা এখানে 10 রকম তরকারি হবে ওর বেশি না? Wow, guys, they have 25 different types of curries, and you can have those curries with this rice called basmati pulao, right? And they have bread, right? You see those brothers baking the bread in that. I'm gonna show you. Let's go, guys. And look at this, guys. Guess what is this? This is the eggplant, right? And but if you come to his shop, his name is Mr. Arun, right? You have to call this Sundari. Sundari means, beautiful. Look, guys, they have 25 different types of curries, and you can enjoy this curries with this bread called kulcha and naan, right? Let me show you guys. Look, now these brothers here, they are making this, bread called kulcha. Bondhu, bhalo acho? You're fine? Eta ki banaccho? Masala kulcha. Eta masala kulcha. Okay, guys, look, guys. This bro here is rolling this bread called masala kulcha, and you can enjoy this masala kulcha with 25 different types of curries that they have over here, right? So this is like truly street buffet, right? It's like, and sudu veg na bro, only veg, right? And they only sell veg. They only sell veg right here. So this is like truly street food veg heaven, right? If you are a lover of veg, you should come and visit this place called the Dekers Lane. What's up, bro? Bhalo acho? Look, guys. Now this is the Pareto 65, I guess. You have heard about chicken 65, right? This is the Pareto 65, and this is some sort of a gram. Masi? Oh, Masi. Bhalo acho? এটা কি আছে মাসি? Chana paneer. Aloo 65. Guys, this one is called the chana paneer. It's like some sort of a gram, and they cook that with cottage cheese, right? And this is the cottage cheese, bharta. Bharta is the smashed. It's the smashed cottage cheese that they cook with different spices. Guys, just look at this crazy crowd. It's insane, man. Look, guys.
150 रुपया दीजिए 150
And that brother there. Hello, Dada. Hello, sir. You're fine. Great, great. Look, guys. This brother here is baking the bread in this hot tube called, tandoor, right? And right now in Kolkata it's very, very hot. Just imagine that brother standing right next to that tube and baking this bread, right? It's very hard working. And right now, guys, in Kolkata it's super hot, right? It's raining, it's not like raining, it's drizzling, but the humidity here in Kolkata is crazy, You see me sweating, everybody is sweating. We don't have AC in public, right? So that's how it is, guys. Look.
দুটো কুলচা একটা আলু 65
And this is the spinach with cottage cheese. It's crazy, guys. I need to move a bit back. Sorry, bro. Guys, they are about to run out of the items, right? And just look at this crazy crowd. It's insane, man. So they have 25 different types of curries, right? And you can enjoy that with this bread called kulcha. They have chapati, which is the roti, right? And if you want some rice, they have that basmati rice, right? So that's how it is, guys. And they have a very unique food called, khichdi. Khichdi is basically, they cook this basmati rice and different vegetables in a huge pot, right? And that's what you call khichdi. Look, guys, this brother is serving that. So this is the signature dish of the shop, right? It's called the khichdi. Look, guys, this one. বন্ধু একবার
পেমেন্টটা করে দেবে 90
Look, guys. So you see this, rice. So they you see this huge pot here, right, guys? So they cook this rice and different vegetables with cottage cheese. I'm gonna show you the pot. Look at this crazy giant pot here, right? So this huge pot has khichdi in it, right? Look, guys, half of the items are almost finished. And this is the mixed veg, na bondhu? Oh bondhu, eta mixed veg to. Mixed veg. Okay. And guys, this one is the eggplant, right? If you love eggplant, you let me know. But if you come to his shop, Mr. Arun's shop, right, you have to call this Sundari. Sundari means beautiful, right? That's how it is. Okay, bro, take care, man. Brother, take care, brother. Thank you. No. Guys, he's a bit busy. Joy Mata. Okay, take care, brother. Okay, brothers, bye. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. See you soon, guys. Take care and please subscribe.